Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyani Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to get rid of the error when you upload the Excel file. Okay, so let's import a Excel file. Click on Excel workbook and I have your sample XLS. Okay, so when you try to import Excel file with extension XLS, okay, you will get this error, unable to correct. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to save that file with XLSX. Okay, open this file, then save it as okay. XLX file means that is nothing but Excel workbook. Okay, save it as sample XLSX. Okay, then close this, then open this and try to load the Excel workbook with the extension XLSX. Then it will load for you. Okay, guys. So whenever you are getting error, just see the extension. If it is XLS, you will get error. Then save that file with XLSX. Then it will open for you. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyani Tutorials for more such amazing Power BI videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.